Hey everyone, we are headed to a dealership and we're going to take you along with us. We've been talking for a little while now about getting some sort of like Sprinter van or something of that like a cargo van, something like that.
Transit vans.
Yeah.
I don't know what that.
I don't know what the actual
I know those
word
are brand
is,
names.
but something to that effect, because doing renovation work out of a pickup truck is only so much fun.
and going back and forth between the renovation and the sawmill is really not fun.
Yeah, that's true, because you know, he's got to take out all of the blades and all of the stuff at the sawmill, all the blowers and whatever, and the chainsaws, and then switch it over to renovation work. Mind you, we bought a brand new pickup, so the interior of that we're trying to keep as nice as we can, and it's only it's just becoming more challenging. And so this is just a number of reasons we've been talking about it, and yeah, we're just gonna go, and we've got some options we saw online that were like, if we can keep it, 10,000-15,000, it seems like a really good option.
This thing's got a pretty sharp turning radius.
That's what we kind of liked about them, One of the things. You're gonna go right here?
Yeah.
Okay, you just sit. How long?
Yeah, 86, 87.
No.
No.
How big is your typical piece of drywall or plywood?
8 feet
8
long,
feet.
96.
So we're like,
Oh, it won't even fit.
oh, it won't even fit that way.
I mean, it's like right at 48.
Well, it said on line 48.6, and I was like, we're gonna go measure that. You need a balloon?
That balloon's tied down, so you can't have that one.
NV1500.
What's that?
This is the NV1500.
Oh, I thought, okay.
I
guess
where
that's
the
the-
18s are. Yeah, so that's the same one that we have biggest. Yeah.
These are all locked. So the NV200 is too small because it won't fit a sheet of plywood or drywall. The NV1500, 1800, and what is it, 2200? 2500? Those are all options. Basically the 1500 doesn't tow as much as the 1800, but otherwise they're basically the same. And then the 2500 has the high top, which would be nice, but I don't think we want to pay the extra bit for it. So we're looking at the 1500 since we don't need towing capacity. We have the truck, and just seeing what the numbers would be, what the inside looks like. Whoa. Holy cow!
How about that?
You just stand all up in here. Yeah.
Cool.
It is really cool.
I guess the other one is like here. Yeah, that's a big difference.
It is a big difference.
Audrey, stay up here.
She's trying to
Oh,
close
close the door. The Dodge and Mercedes.
The Dodges look really ugly.
I'm just saying, look at it.
So I think we're gonna just like we definitely, it was worthwhile. We crossed the NV200 off the list. Any of the others would work fine. We can keep our eye on a used option online. I think that's the best route to go, is like a used, like a general used option. I don't want a 10-year-old car or anything, but like a couple years old, relatively low miles. It's gonna be a work company, vehicle, so it doesn't need to be pristine inside. And we're gonna grab lunch, and then maybe we'll go to the Ford dealership after this and just put our eyes on their options and see which ones to look for online too. But we're all starved. Gotcha.
Okay.
So this is the tall, yeah?
It's mid.
This is the middle.
Yes. This
Gotcha.
is a mid roof.
Gotcha. What model is this?
It's a 19.
$250.
250 with a medium roof.
I mean,
This would work.
it's like kind of there, but it's almost 12 feet. Couldn't do that extra 6 inches.
If one thing's important to you, then you might have to accept something that's. I'm just saying.
No, I have a fancy truck. It's just that doesn't work all that well for
Options and that kind of thing, you know.
He was like, I know you're in a hurry, but cursing the manager. I'm like, what point is that?
We have to go. I said, thank you for your time. I shook his hand. I said, we got to go. That doesn't mean to continue talking.
Well, it's like they're all in this big time waste.
They all just want to waste your time because then it's like a game. Like a
Well, I
tactic.
was gonna
And
say,
then
that's
then it's like
a tactic.
the more time they spend with you, the more you feel obligated to. That's not how I work. Like, typically that's their thing, but anywho, okay, so the 150, 250, or 350.
Those will work.
Those would work. For Ford, the Nissan, what was
I think
it?
that could be a thing of
1500 would work.
2500.
2500 would work. And the Transit from Ford is too small. So, sweetie, you've had a lot to drink. Anyway, so we're leaving the Dodge and Mercedes dealer. They're at the same place, and they didn't have any options for us to look at. The options now that are on our list are the Ford, the 150, 250, 350, as well as the Nissan 1500 or 2500. We're not opposed to the Dodge or the Mercedes. We just didn't get to see them. I think we are, though, like, decided on doing something used. And anything else? Oh, we have used a new camera for this. We've used a new camera for this video. Let us know what you think of it. We're kind of getting used to it. It's a little funky. It's the Osmo Pocket from DJI. I'm not sure. I don't know. We're kind of getting used to the visual thing. I haven't heard the audio yet, so I'm not sure how it sounds. Let us know what you think. So those are our 2 cents on our business van excursion, and we will be looking for used options and keep you updated on this thing. Thank y'all for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.